Picture this. You've just landed in the heart of Madrid. You're perhaps strolling along the dreamy beaches of Barcelona, or perhaps you're wandering in the colorful streets of Mexico City or swept away by the amazing beauty of the Mayan and Aztec temples. Spanish phrases and conversations envelop the air around you, giving you the authentic feel of being in a Spanish-speaking country. But wait, you suddenly realize you need directions, or perhaps you're trying to decipher the local transportation system. Maybe you need to use the bathroom. What do? Well, fear not, fellow travelers. This video is here to equip you with 22 essential Spanish phrases to help you navigate and communicate your way around any Spanish-speaking country with ease. Are you ready to take the tour? Let's dive right in. Number 1, ¿Dónde está? Where is? This phrase is your map in verbal form. Simply ask ¿Dónde está la plaza? When you're looking for the town square, or ¿Dónde está el baño? When nature calls. Número 2, necesito ir a. I need to go to. When you need to declare your destination, this phrase is your go-to. Necesito ir al banco. I need to go to the bank. Can you help find the nearest bank? Número 3, estoy perdido a. I'm lost. No one wants to admit it, but sometimes we get lost. In that case, estoy perdido will be your humble confession, inviting help. Número 4, number 4, ¿Cómo llego a? How do I get to? This is the next step after ¿Dónde está? Once you know where something is, ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? Can guide you on how to get to the train station or anywhere else you need to go. Número 5, hay un or hay una cerca de aquí. Is there a blank near here? This phrase is perfect for when you're looking for something nearby. Swap the blank with whatever you're looking for. Hay un restaurante cerca de aquí. Is there a restaurant near here? Número 6, number 6. ¿Cuánto cuesta el boleto a? How much is the ticket to? Budgeting is key in travel, obviously. ¿Cuánto cuesta is how much, and this is an essential phrase in any Spanish-speaking country. Número 7. ¿A qué hora sale el próximo? What time does the next blank leave? Missing a train, tren, or bus, autobús, is a traveler's nightmare. Keep up with schedules by asking, ¿A qué hora sale el próximo autobús? Número 8. ¿Este autobús, tren, va a? Does this bus, train go to? To avoid ending up in the wrong city, confirm your route with ¿Este autobús va a Sevilla? Before boarding. Número 9 on our list. ¿Cómo puede encontrar un taxi? How can I find a taxi? When public transport isn't an option, ¿Cómo puedo encontrar un taxi? Can be your ride-hailing charm. ¿Cómo puedo encontrar? Is essential for asking where anything is. Número 10. Tengo una reservación. I have a reservation. This phrase is handy when checking into your hotel or at a restaurant. Tengo una reservación will get you to your booked spot in no time. And the list goes on. The beauty of the Spanish language is that it's intuitive and accessible. With practice, these phrases will become second nature, making your travel smoother and more enjoyable. Let's cover a few more essential phrases for your travels. Número 11. ¿Me puede ayudar, por favor? Can you help me, please? When you're in need of assistance, this polite request can go a long way, whether you're trying to find a destination or figure out a menu. ¿Me puede ayudar, por favor? Is always a good starting point. Número 12. ¿Dónde puedo comprar? Where can I buy? From ¿Dónde puedo comprar agua, water, when you're thirsty, to ¿Dónde puedo comprar una tarjeta SIM? When you need connectivity, this phrase can be a lifesaver to help you get a new cell phone or SIM card. Number 13, número 13. Giro a la derecha, izquierda. Turn left or right. Once you've asked for directions, you'll definitely need to know these. Gira a la derecha means turn right, and giro a la izquierda means turn left. Número 14. Siga recto, go straight. If you're already heading in the right direction, you may hear this phrase. It simply means to keep going straight. Número 15. Está lejos, cerca, it's far or near. Great for gauging distance. If someone tells you está lejos, your destination is far. If they say está cerca, you're close. Number 16, 16. Puede mostrarme en el mapa. Can you show me on the map? If verbal directions aren't enough, this phrase can help you get a visual understanding of where you need to go. Puede mostrarme en el mapa. Número 17, number 17. ¿Cuánto tiempo para llegar a? How long to get to? An essential question if you're running on a tight schedule. ¿Cuánto tiempo para llegar al museo? How long to get to the museum can help you plan your day efficiently. Next, number 18, número 18. ¿Dónde está la estación de autobús, tren? Where is the bus or train station? Vital for using public transportation. Simply swap autobús or tren depending on which station you're looking for. ¿Dónde está la estación de autobús? Next, we have número 19. ¿A qué hora cierra abre esto? What time does this close or open? To ensure you don't miss out on visiting an attraction, shop, or restaurant, you can ask, ¿A qué hora cierra esto? Or ¿A qué hora abre esto? Congratulations, you have reached número 20. ¿Puede llamar a un taxi para mí? Can you call a taxi for me? If you're somewhere without a clear taxi stand, this question can be useful. ¿Puede llamar a un taxi para mí? Número 21. Estoy buscando este lugar. I am looking for this place. This phrase can be a useful starting point when you're showing someone the name of a place on a map or phone or looking for a place. Estoy buscando este lugar. And finally, we have reached número 22. ¿Cómo se llama este lugar? What is this place called? When you stumble upon a picturesque or interesting spot, use this phrase to find out what it's called for future reference or to share with friends. ¿Cómo se llama este lugar? Remember that the most important part of traveling is the journey, not the destination. While these phrases will surely make your journey smoother, also allow yourself to revel in the moments of confusion and surprise. They're part of the fun and add to the charm of exploring a new place. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll provide you with the scenario and you drop your answers in the comments below. Remember that practice is the key to mastering these phrases. Okay, how would you ask someone to direct you to where you can buy something, be it a ticket or a shirt or even a SIM card? Where can I buy? Okay, next on our list. How would you ask someone if the train or bus goes to a specific city or location? Does this bus go to? Number 3, the last one. How do you ask how much something costs? Once you learn where you can get your bus ticket, you need to ask, how much is the ticket? Try using them as much as possible during your travels, even your travels in your daily life. Write them down, repeat them aloud, make flashcards, whatever helps you learn. Trust me, you'll be navigating your way around the Spanish-speaking world like a pro in no time. Now, over to you. Which of these phrases do you find most useful? Let us know in the comments. Your shared experiences build a community, and it will also help us create more targeted content for your language learning journey. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Those who don't expand their horizons never read any books, actually. So let's turn the pages together, one Spanish phrase at a time. So remember, take the like button along for a trip, ask the subscription button to be friends, and call a taxi for the notification bell so it can notify you when I release daily, easy Spanish lessons for beginners. Hasta la próxima! Safe travels and happy learning!